Looking for peak performance and show-stopping looks? US Radiator delivers the cooling you need, and Concept One provides the ultimate pulley system. Level up your ride. And hey, for more awesome builds and insights, hit that subscribe button for ScottieDTV. Man, you know how much I love them second-gen Camaros, and Garrett's absolutely rocked this 1972. It's got an LT in it. We got a feature coming on it. This is one of the cars that showed up. I invited because it's Garrett's Rod Shop and I'm familiar with their work. I knew they could deliver, and I'm a big second-gen fan before I shot a feature. And man, they did not disappoint. What a cool car. Here's my buddy Don in his 1959 Simca, some French car. And it's like a European Nomad in that they aren't that common, but they're more 4-doors and 2-doors are super rare. Again, I got a feature coming on this one. It's the first time. Don comes a long way to do this, so that was the first opportunity I had to shoot the car. And we got Nichols 68 Camaro. We actually unveiled this one Thursday morning. We did 2 unveils, and Nichols, Tom and Sherry's, actually Sherry's Camaro is 1968. Beautiful car. Have a feature coming on that. I got about 4 that I hadn't shot yet. This very cool 1965 C10. Shot this thing in Columbus and just was always a fan. And then I got an email from Jordan, said, hey, I own that truck. I'd love to bring it to the Rod Run. And I was like, I'd love to have you bring it to the Rod Run. So again, people really appreciated the work and the style and the design that went into that truck. It's very, very cool. I dig it. 59 Caddy with some of Chad Martin's work on the roof. His buddy Kyle has the car. Drives this thing everywhere. It was a 4-door. They made it into a 2-door. Again, this is one that I hadn't been able to shoot yet. It seems like they're all coming in a row. But, the Dirty Dozen is about putting 12 cool cars or trucks together, and, I do my best to do that. And if I bring one in that has not been shot, then I try to get it shot while I'm up there. Eugene had the, 73 Dart up there, first showing, and shot a feature of this actually on Tuesday before load-in. And I got a little spot up there, if you know, you know. And I shot a feature on that, so we got a feature coming on that one. And now we're on the side, I guess, where all the cars are that I have already shot features of, like this 1956 Continental. Not a Lincoln Continental, but a Continental. It's before Lincoln got involved. So I've been straightened out on that more times than I want to count. But what a cool, Chris Ryan, what a cool car, cool guy. Chris Ryan's always delivers, good friend of mine, and I enjoy seeing him as much as I do the work he does. Of course, I had the family in the house, Big Oak, and the 42 Chevrolet pickup truck. This truck's actually for sale. So if you're interested in it and you got a few bucks, a lot less than what it would cost to build it, it's for sale. Get with Will over there at Big Oak. Folks want to sell it. Make sure to tell them to pay me a commission. We got the 1979 crew cab, Rodney's 1979 crew cab, built by Rutter's Rods. And man, what can you say about it? I just dig this truck. To hear Rodney talk about it, it's just an old farm truck that they always dreamed of, but man, is it cool. They never made a short bed in this version, so that's what's going on. They never made one laying that low and all that either. So very cool truck. 1964 C10 Ben Countryside Customs. Make a note of that. This kid's he's gonna do things. He built this truck. It's really cool. Got a top 25 up at the Rod Run. Him and his dad were there. Awesome people. Drove a long way to be there. Had a good time. Was really, really nice to have him representing ScottieDTV. Of course, we got more family in the house, and Dustin Faust with Classic Restorations of Southern Indiana unveiled this 1966 nicer than new Corvette. This one will go out to the higher end shows where, concourse type of shows, where they wine and cheese and not beer and weed. So this one's going high end, and it's prepared. It'll score high, and you gotta love Old Blue. Scott and his wife, just wonderful people. The crowds love the truck. I knew they would love it. There's a feature on it. Shot this at Auto Crusade. It was the Coolest Cool Award, and part of the Coolest Cool Award at the Auto Crusade car show is you get a spot in the Dirty Dozen the next year. So he won last year. There he was this year. And that's the 2025 ScottieDTV Dirty Dozen from the 2025 Pigeon Forge Rod Run. Folks, if you've never made it, it's only the spring show do I do it. It takes me all year to put this crowd together and get them in there. So I only do it once a year. It's in the spring. We would love to have you. There's another show in the fall. The Dirty Dozen won't be there, but I will be. And yeah, no, it's a great event. We would love to have you. Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. The one in the spring is in April. The one in the fall is in September. And it's always has a lot of cool cars. Again, the Dirty Dozen, if you're coming in to see that and would, you know, be disappointed if for some reason you didn't get to, you know, see the cars from the channel and maybe, you know, say hello, then you want to come to the spring show, because that's the only one that I do this way. Anywhere on the planet. This is the only time, this is the only event that I put a group of cars to represent the channel together and bring them into one show. Big shout out to everybody, the clients, the builders, ET Motor Gear, Pigeon Forge Rod Run, the LeConte Center, my buddy Uncle Phil out there that runs the joint, always keeps me out of trouble. Everybody that helps me put this on, man, so much thanks to you all, and to you, the ones watching this, the ones that show up every day, support me, tell me to keep going. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So there you go, 2025 ScottieDTV Dirty Dozen. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.